for amplitude is meters. Which is most of the time, for my calculations, you have to convert between no centimeter, no millimeter, up until you toilet meters. Okay, fine. So, unento ofisa siyibiza nge-pulse length, which means la iqala khona kuleli point leli. La iqala khona iya displacer ngithi, which means when it displacer ishift position. Iphinde ibuyele kwini la isuke khona. So lo bude lo bobusuka la iqale khona izizibuyele kule position is any pulse length. But ke remember ke lama pulses lawo, to be specific, ama transverse pulses uma ehamba medium, ispeed sakhona siyakwazi ucalculateka if siyazi i-distance ezoyitravelisha i-pulse and isikhathi esithathile, yabo. So kunane formula ke esizoyisebenzisa oke wake wayifunda kancane grade 9 ethi speed is equal to distance over time. But manje i-speed is specified ukuthi yesani speed esikhuluma ngaso. The speed of the wave represented as uv omncane, which means uv omncane, which is the speed of the wave or the wave speed, is equal to E, the distance traveled by low wave or low pulse divided by the time it took. Phela, yabo. But ke sizongizokufundisa ukuthi leyo formula leyo isetshenziswa kanjani, now ukuthi ke uyimanipulate kanjani ukuze ukwazi ukwenza iformula entsha based on lokho okufunile. La so bese singena khona kwi triangle. I-triangle ngathi wake wayibona before, but iyasetshenziswa kwama formulas amaningi anama fractions. Asambe siyobheka.